What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. It's Sheen Boo, you know who it is. Today, we are going to be doing a unboxing of the Coach Pillow Tabby Mini. Okay, you guys have really been enjoying these luxury designer hauls / unboxings. So let's get into the video. Oh. All right. So here's the Coach bag. Y'all, what do I always say? It's the packaging for me. So I really like the bag too. We have some goodies for you today. Y'all, so I was in the mall headed to Zara, which is where I'm always headed when I go to the mall. And I walked past Coach and I had saw the Pillow Tabby when it first came out, but I was like, man, all I see is pink and ivory in there. And I just had started wearing my Prada purse. I had my Prada purse for a while, but I just started wearing it. So I was like, I don't need another pink bag. And it looked almost like the identical soft pink that I already had. So I was like, Then come to find out, now these purses are really popular and I had already been eyeballing them. And they have all these colors. So it came in a satin bag. And it's still in the pink family, but it's more like a fuchsia pink. And my Prada purse is more of like a bubblegum pink. But this is the Coach Pillow Tabby Mini, okay? Let's get in close. You see that C? It has gold hardware. I am a sucker. I'm a sucker for gold hardware, okay? It actually feels pillow soft. You see how if you squeeze on it, it literally bounces back. So I absolutely love that. Even the bag tag is fluffy and pillow soft, okay? Then if you get into the detailing, it says Coach right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus properly, but literally says Coach right there on the top of that little ball there. And it says Coach here on the side on the ringlet. And I really like that, okay? I like that it says Coach on the little bag tag here. Look at the detail. It's the details for me. This bag really gives me like a higher end luxury. It doesn't give me like that typical Coach. I feel like Coach has been really stepping that game up. Now let's get into the inside of the purse. So the inside of the purse has a strap. Y'all know I'm also a sucker for a good cross body, okay? But the strap, this is the strap that came with it. So it's fuchsia with gold hardware, just like the rest of the purse. And then you have these little adjusters for the strap right there. So, y'all, I was like, I really like this purse. It's very small. I've been training myself to use smaller bags because I used to be a bag lady. Comment down below if you're a bag lady. I used to have my whole little world inside my purse. But I'm like, I can't do that no more. And I love when you go somewhere fancy and you could do like a little clutch style, or you could do a little wristlet, or you could put the strap on and do crossbody. So I've really been training myself the last few years to pack light. So that's what I've been doing. Now let's get into the inside of the purse. This is the size-wise, what it looks like on the inside. You have your authentication tag here. On the back side of that, across from the tag, it also says Coach. Try not to damage my purse, but I know you guys like to see the details. See right there where my index finger is, it says Coach there. You have just a little pocket here. And then you have the back part of the purse and then the main part in the front. So one of the deciding factors for me with this mini bag was they had one in the back because I wanted the dark green one, but I don't like to buy display purses. I'm a little funny about that. Like I want it to be fresh out of the package. So that's something that was very important to me. The other most important thing to me, I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and I was like, let's see if the 12 Pro Max can fit. So I was in the store and I take my time when I shop, especially for designer stuff. Shuts. It's stress-free, right? So it's not even a struggle. And it does give it a little weight, but it's not too heavy with the phone in there. So, yeah, so we're gonna leave the phone in there for now. And then I'm gonna get into some accessories. So I really really had to get another chain. I feel like it's your accessories and it's your hardware that really make the bag. So I got this lovely gold chain, and you can transfer your change to different purses, okay? So we're gonna put this gold chain onto the bag, and I'm trying to see, it does say Coach right on here. It's really tiny on the tip. So technically, like, I could transfer this to my product bag or some other stuff if I wanted to, just to give it a little more pizzazz. But this chain actually is heavy. It's very sturdy and durable and more of a heavy duty. So this chain just gives me so much more pizzazz. Look at that with the chain on it. Look at the chain dangling on the side. I kind of like to bundle it up like this. And this is kind of how I was walking around with my bag. Like, isn't that so cute and girly? So I kind of walked around with my bag like that. I wore it once the other day to a wedding for a few hours. Just kind of testing it out, make sure I really wanted it. Because I really have to style stuff. Like, when I get stuff, I see what it can kind of go with. So I had an outfit at home, and I'm like, this can go with multiple things, but it could definitely go with the outfit I had at home. So here is the little mini wallet, or I forget what these are called exactly, but this is like just a wallet that is also small enough to fit in there. It has a little horseman, and it says Coach. So it's nice leather. It has a coin area here, so you put your little coins in. And I don't know about you, but I have, like, between debit and credit cards, I have about 10, but I usually only keep my ID in like 3 to 4 cards with me, because depending on what I'm gonna do is what card I'm gonna use. So the ID and stuff slides right in there perfectly. It's very spacious for it to be so small. And then you open up your purse, and now you have your phone and your wallet in there. I would recommend getting like a small clear case, like a clear cosmetic bag, whatever brand you want, and to put your lip gloss and your keys and everything in there, because you don't want to scratch up your purse. That will ruin your purse if you put stuff like that in there. I'm not gonna lie, it may be a little hood to put a Ziploc bag in there, but that's what I did because I haven't found a bag that can fit in there, and I really want to protect my investment. So I'm gonna go into showing you like the different little ways to, you could do crossbody or wear the bag or what have you. You can wear the bag, you just hold it like this, and be a little dainty, little girly, just kind of, yeah, she's there. And this keeps hanging out no matter how much I tuck it from the little wallet. And to be honest with you, I'm okay with that. You can hold it like this. So you just what do you want it to give, okay? What we serving today? It all depends on what you want to give and what kind of look that you are going for. If you want to, you can go ahead and add this strap as well. I kind of just like it without it, but if that's what you wanted to do, you can add it. But yeah, this is it right here. Just hold it how you want. Hold it how you want. Play around with it. Try on some clothes. When I get a new bag, I normally go in the mirror and I try things on the way I want and to see how I would like to wear it. And I feel like, ladies, if you don't have a full length mirror, just get you one. And play around with your outfits and just kind of style the bag the way that you want. All right, you guys. So yeah, this is the Coach Pillow Tabby Mini. I honestly would highly recommend it because it's beautiful. This gold strap was actually an add-on, and it was $35 extra, but I feel like $35 is not much, especially to add an accessory. They have other tags in there that you can get customized with your name on it, and you can hook your bag tags on there. So yeah, I would recommend the Coach Pillow Tabby Mini. I feel like it's a great design. It's very girly and it's very dainty. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Don't forget about Instagram and Twitter too, at Sheena Sheen Boo.